Peel the potatoes and make thin slices. Chop the onion, and add the onion to the potato and add the salt. Mix the potato and the onion. We fry in plenty of oil. On fry, we drain them. Beat the eggs and add the potatoes. And cook it in a pan with a little oil, and when it's golden we turn it over and then take it out on a plate.